and it's quite handy that you hold it like this, put in your cherry, and then push it down, and the seed will come out from the bottom end here. Later I will show you how it works. They have this shell or a plastic cover which can be removed and washed. So let's put it back and I'll show you how it works. So right in front of me is the bowl of cherry that with the seed on. So just put in the cherry in the gap here, and the next thing is you push this down. So just gonna do it over here. So give it a push, and then you can see the hole there. The seed have come out from the bottom, and that's how the look like. So I'm going to show you another one. Again, put it in the middle here, and then the next thing is to push this down, and